Welcome to Crypto Girl, VeChain price prediction 2025 to 2030. What does 2022 have in store for VET investors? Let's find out. The VeChainThor Blockchain is the name of the project's blockchain. It's also known as VET and is available for trading on various platforms, typically as a pair with a variety of cryptos, stablecoins, and the US dollar. What is VeChain and what problems does it attempt to solve? What exactly is VeChain? VeChain is an L1 smart contract platform that integrates blockchain technology to the real-world economy in order to make business processes more viable and improve supply chain management. VeChain offers a strong governance framework as well as highly scalable proof of authority (POA) consensus mechanism. VeChain is essentially a supply chain blockchain. It has been able to secure important alliances. Clients include Walmart China, BMW, BYD Auto, Haier, H&M, LVMH, and the US government. VeChain is now managed by the VeChain Foundation. Initially, the token was known as VEN token. During the first coin offering, the token VEN was available for purchase by the general public ICO. The coin was renamed VET after a rebranding, and all VEN holders were required to exchange their old tokens for the new VET via the VeChainThor wallet at a ratio of 1 VEN for 100 VET tokens. Founders of VeChain: Sunny Lu, a former chief information officer (CIO) of Louis Vuitton's Chinese business, founded VeChain. From the company's headquarters in China, in the city of Shanghai, Lu serves as CEO and co-founder. VeChain has physical offices in Paris and Hong Kong. Lu had heard of Bitcoin in its early days, but he realized that the technology underlying Bitcoin held more promise than the ups and downs of the Bitcoin price. He moved away from the typical approach of forking Bitcoin at the time, honed by his experience at LVMH Group, China's CIO, and established VeChain as a smart contract on Ethereum. Lu later led a team that created VeChain's native blockchain, which was specifically geared for enterprise-level adoption. VeChainThor roadmap for the project. The economic digitization document, often known as POA 2.0, contains the VeChain Foundation's roadmap. This roadmap was created in order to improve the levels of performance and security that enterprise-level clients require. The POA 2.0 mechanism also makes VeChain more ecologically friendly because it emits less carbon during its procedures. The first upgrade, known as VIP 193, began in July 2021. It included everything from random node allocations to the committee's approval of the block-producing mechanism. This was followed in November 2021 by VIP 200, the finality mechanism, which ensures that new blocks can be finalized even when node asynchrony occurs. Adoption of VeChain. How is the adoption of VeChain going? The Foundation's "Everything is Connected" slogan is the driving force behind the Foundation's attempts to expand VeChain usage. Collaboration with large companies in relevant industries has been a common technique for increasing VeChain usage. Clients from the luxury apparel business, for example, were the company's first customers. Another tactic has been to participate in the NFT mania by entering the NFT marketplace. To that purpose, a no-fee NFT platform that focuses on art creation with the blockchain can be created. The response is World of V. The Grayscale hedge fund is currently reviewing a list of tokens to add to its generally successful crypto portfolio. One of those on this list is VeChain. All of the indicators indicate that VeChain's popularity is increasing, and completing the roadmap will undoubtedly increase the utility and global adoption. The Foundation also intends to introduce VUSD, a stablecoin. This stablecoin is supposed to be VeChain's weapon, assisting the Foundation in its entry into the DeFi ecosystem. This change is likely to increase adoption. Price prediction for VeChain 2022. The VeChain price projection for 2022 is based on a weekly chart analysis of the VET ETH medium-term prognosis. In the previous 3 years, there have been at least 3 large surges and crashes. The time elapsed between the initial dip, the spike, and the last dip has increased. Between October 2019 and March 2020, the first dip-rise-dip cycle occurred 6 months. The second, which ran from May 2020 to January 2021, lasted from May 2020 to Jan 2021, 9 months. The third ran from February to December of 2021, 9 months. If the mathematical process is followed, we may observe a dip-spike-dip cycle lasting up to a year. This is not hard and fast rule, and it should not be interpreted as such. It serves as a guide. Traders could expect a hard, fast ascension followed by a similar crash if the price is at the same support as the prior support drops. Along the process, there will be rallies and dives to numerous major support and resistance levels. In retrospect, the VeChain price motion can be described as a following cycle. If history is any guide, the current price appears to be a good time to buy. This could lead to an interesting VeChain price forecast 2022 cycle. Price prediction for VeChain in 2025. One of the foundational assumptions of technical analysis is that history tends to repeat itself. If you notice a pattern on the charts that has occurred once, twice, or even 3 times previously, you may expect to see the same historical outcomes if the same pattern appears on the charts again. Against this backdrop, the VET-ETH chart exemplifies the potential price picture for the future, which might serve as a model for any positive VeChain price forecast 2025 view. This is not your typical analysis. The figure also depicts VeChain's position on the CoinMarketCap list of the most capitalized cryptocurrencies. VeChain fell to 37th place in September 2019. It was the 27th most capitalized cryptocurrency at the pinnacle of the rally in December 2019. Following that, it was rated as the 35th most capitalized cryptocurrency. Following the dip in 2020, subsequent rallies have seen VeChain gradually rise up the ladder, reaching as high as 13 on the CoinMarketCap ranking. The price movement is again probing the same decline levels as in 2019 and 2020, from which it recovered. If history is any guide, we may see the push towards 0.00002988 before 0.00003816 enters the picture as an extra upside goal. Potential targets to the north include 0.00004797, 0.00005441, and 0.00007434, 0.00008262. Price action has only dipped below the current price level once on September 17, 2018. Even on that date, the price rebounded strongly, adding about 6,500% from the session lows. As a result, VeChain is at an appealing purchase moment, and the VeChain price prediction 2025 is positive. There is always the possibility of new projects coming online that will boost the utility of VeChain and its pricing activity. In the last 6 months, the price range has been between 0.3487 and 0.1314. As a result, the VeChain price prediction 2025 might see the Doge USDT trading inside or above 0.3487. VeChain price predictions for 2030. Making an accurate VeChain pricing projection for 2030 is challenging. Whether or not VeChain will have sustained a price spike at the time is dependent on the foundation's ability to stay ahead of the game. Price increase may be slowed by competition from new projects with stronger POA methods or even better product offerings. However, given the company's efforts to solve enterprise-level challenges such as carbon emissions, positive VeChain price forecast 2030 targets may not be out of place. Bullish VeChain pricing estimates will be observed when utility and adoption are sufficient to drive demand. However, the infinite supply of VeChain may make achieving comparable price rises difficult. If the VeChain Foundation is able to devise a system that controls supply, there may be grounds to expect that a significant price increase over time will be effective. VeChain is currently trading at prices close above its 2020 lows. This makes the current prices appealing to investors looking to increase their VeChain holdings. However, there's no assurance that VeChain will immediately trade off current lows and begin moving upwards. It could take some time for prices to rise. Prices may also trade in a sideways range. The ideal strategy is to trade what you see on the charts while letting your financial objectives lead you. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more.